Hello and welcome to today's deep dive analysis on the future of U.S. offshore oil and gas production. The Gulf of Mexico, often called the energy powerhouse of America, is now on the brink of breaking records. According to Rystad Energy's latest report, U.S. deepwater production is expected to reach an all-time high of nearly 2.2 million barrels of oil equivalent per day in 2026. But how did we get here? What major projects are fueling this surge? And what does this mean for the global energy landscape? Stay with us as we explore the story of how Shell, Chevron, BP, and several independent operators are reshaping the deepwater frontier. The Gulf of Mexico has always been a critical hub for American energy. From the pioneering days of shallow water drilling to the modern era of high-tech floating production units, deepwater projects have consistently supplied the U.S. with reliable oil and gas. After the 2014-2016 oil price crash, many experts predicted a decline in offshore investments. But now, the Gulf has bounced back stronger than ever. The year 2025 has already proven to be a milestone. 3 new floating production units, FPUs, are starting operations, bringing almost 350,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day of processing capacity. Shell's Whale FPU started in January, reaching peak oil rates of nearly 100,000 barrels per day in just 5 months. Beacon Offshore Energy achieved a major breakthrough in July with its Shenandoah project, a pioneering development using 20K high-pressure technology capable of handling extreme wellhead pressures. From the U.S. can help stabilize prices, especially in times of geopolitical uncertainty. For local communities, offshore development provides thousands of jobs and billions in state revenues. However, this growth also comes with challenges: environmental concerns, carbon reduction targets, and the long-term transition toward renewable energy. It's not all smooth sailing. Costs and risks. Deepwater projects require billions in upfront investment and can take years to pay off. Environmental risks. Memories of the 2010 Deepwater Horizon spill still shape regulations and public opinion. Energy transition pressure. With the world moving toward renewables, offshore operators face the question: how long will deepwater oil remain viable? Yet, companies argue that offshore oil is cleaner than some alternatives, with lower emissions intensity per barrel compared to certain onshore operations. As we look ahead to 2026, the U.S. Gulf of Mexico is on track to set a new production record. With Shell, Chevron, BP, Beacon, and LLOG leading the way, deepwater is once again proving its importance in America's energy mix. The story of U.S. offshore oil is one of resilience, innovation, and adaptation. And while challenges remain, the next chapter looks brighter than ever. Thank you for joining this deep dive. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the world of energy and global affairs.